Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Kingston Public Hospital. Now, the government announced that they were going to be building a new KPH hospital. So we want to ask a question. Do you think they should build a KPH hospital over in Portmore? Now, Portmore has a large population, but Portmore does not have a hospital. The government has identified land in Bernard Lodge, which is across from where we are. We're out in Spanish Town today, um, to build a new hospital for Portmore. So instead of building a new KPH hospital in Kingston, maybe it would be better for them to build a new hospital over in Portmore. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, a lot of persons that visit the KPH hospital come from Portmore. Portmore has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. Portmore is in St. Catherine. It's going to be a parish soon, but it's not a parish yet. So as of today, it's still a part of St. Catherine. So the residents of Portmore, if they need medical attention from a hospital, have to go to KPH in downtown Kingston or the Spanish Town Hospital. So let us know what you think, guys. There is a lot of land out in Bernard Lodge. You could build, well, the KPH now is the largest hospital in Jamaica, but it has outgrown the space that it's at. And the buildings where it is are old. The KPH was built in 1776. It's a Type A hospital, and it's located on North Street in downtown Kingston. Now, the government recently started renovating, well, a couple of years now, renovating the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And that upgrade has gone from 5 million to over 20, sorry, 5 billion to over $20 billion because they are rebuilding the hospital at the same location. So they should not make that same mistake with KPH. The KPH hospital, the buildings are old. 1776, that's over 300 years ago. Those buildings need to be demolished and a new structure built there. It's best they build a new hospital rather than trying to renovate the old hospital, building it back at the same location. They should just build a new hospital out in Portmore. Start from scratch and build it. And then demolish the KPH hospital and then build another hospital, not as large. Just build another hospital where the KPH hospital is now, a modern facility. To go the route of renovating like what they did for Cornwall Regional, it's going to cost tens of billions of dollars and take years to do. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're just going to give you a brief summary of the KPH. Kingston Public Hospital is one of the most important institutions in Jamaica's healthcare system. Located in the heart of downtown Kingston, it has served the population for over 2 centuries and remains the largest public hospital in the country. As a Type A hospital, KPH provides the highest level of care available in the public sector, particularly in emergency and trauma services. Its long history and central role make it both a symbol of resilience and a focal point for discussion about the future of healthcare in Jamaica. One of the key strengths of Kingston Public Hospital is its accessibility. As a government-funded institution, it provides care to all Jamaicans regardless of their ability to pay. This makes it especially important for lower-income individuals who may not be able to afford private health care. The hospital's accident and emergency department is among the busiest in the Caribbean, handling a high volume of cases daily, including serious injuries from accidents and violence. Its role as a main trauma center means that it often saves lives in critical situations. All right, guys. Okay. However, despite its importance, Kingston Public Hospital faces several challenges. The facility is very old, having been established in the 18th century, and much of its infrastructure is outdated. Overcrowding is a persistent issue as the hospital serves a large population with limited space and resources. Patients often experience long waiting times, and staff are frequently under pressure due to high demand. These conditions can affect the quality of care and the overall patient experience. In response to these challenges, there have been ongoing discussions about the need to modernize or rebuild the hospital. A new and improved facility could provide better working conditions for staff, increase capacity, and incorporate advanced medical technology. Such a development would not only improve patient care but also strengthen Jamaica's healthcare system as a whole. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Build a new KPH hospital over by Bernard Lodge in Portmore. Demolish the existing buildings that the existing structures in downtown Kingston, where the hospital currently is. You would demolish them after the new hospital is built and functional, and then rebuild another hospital where the KPH is downtown. Not as big, but a hospital that would serve the area. All right, guys, have a good day.